Scott, are you with us?
Yes.
All right.
I'm always.
So what is this form of the equation called? Hey, get off your chair. Slope intercept, because this is the slope, this is the y-intercept. Okay, so those are the two numbers that we need.
Sorry. Emily just spit everywhere laughing at that.
Okay, on number one, how can we find the slope when it's a picture like that?
Are you recording? Rise over rise.
How can we find a picture when they have the graph? Or how can we find the slope when they have the graph?
It's to make the line.
Find 2 points and see like right over.
Right, find 2 points on the graph. So there's a point at 0, 2. Where's another point on the graph?
0, 4.
1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1.
Okay, 3, 1. All right, so what is the rise between those 2 points? -1. What is the run?
3.
3. So the slope is -1/3. So on our answer, the slope goes right here, right? Y equals -1/3 x. Okay, how do we find the b value?
It's just where the y-intercept is.
Okay, it's the y-intercept. Where does it cross the y-axis? 2.
It's gonna be.
So it's plus 2.
What? Hey guys, guess what tomorrow is?
All right, so now we changed the m and the b. Why don't we change the x and the y? Yeah, because the x and y values they're infinite number. So like 3, 1, 0, 2. There's infinite answers for x and y, but the slope and the y-intercept, there's only one thing that they can be, so that's why. Okay, number 3. So we need to identify 2 points on the line to find the slope.
Yeah.
So Emily, what's a point on the line on number 3?
0 and 1, 2. Like -2 and 4.
Okay, -2, 4. We need one more. I think it was like -6 or something.
Yeah, -6 and +1 and 3.
-6, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, well we could actually, well you can count on your graph, we could actually use the slope formula. You guys remember the slope formula?
Oh, y minus y over x minus x.
Yeah. The change in y's is the rise, and the change in x's is the run.
Yeah.
So anyway, from 3 to 4, that rise is 1, and from -6 to -2, it's 4. Anyway, that would be the slope. Or you can just count it on the graph, right? It goes up 1 and over 4. Okay, how do I find the b value on this one?
Good question. I know it, but I can't.
How did we find it on the last one?
It's right when it's
Just where it crosses the line.
It's where it crosses. Where does it cross the y-axis at?
1, 2, 3, 4.5. 4.5.
4.5. Now, it looks like 4.5, but if it's floating kind of in the middle, can we really tell? Yeah. Here's how you can know for sure, and we're going to use this trick a lot today. So, yeah, -2, 4 is one of the solutions. This is another one of the solutions because it's a point on the graph. So -2 is an x value. This is an x and a y value. And 4 is a y value. So if we plug those in, we can solve that for b. So you guys know what 1/4 times -2 is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Can't tell you. 2.
It's -1/2.
Oh, I knew that. I was thinking.
So what do we do to solve this for b? Add 1/2. So 4 plus 1/2, it is 4.5. You guys are right. Okay, anyway, that trick we didn't have to do on this one, and just kind of check, but later on, we're gonna do that a lot. Plugging in the coordinates to help you find the b value. So it was 4.5 though. That's the answer. All right. Number 5 has no picture. They're just telling us, it says, use the slope-intercept form, so that's y equals mx plus b, to write the equation of the line passing through the given point with the given slope.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys need to watch because I'm about to call on y'all when we do number 7. We got very southern right there. Okay, so we know the slope is 2 because they just told us that. So it's y equals 2x plus b. How do I find the b value? Right, we can plug in the x and y that they gave us, and if this is a point on the line, it's a solution for the equation. So x goes there and y goes there. So 1 equals 2 times 4. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. And then what do we do? Subtract 8.
To get b by itself.
So b is
Seven.
negative 7. So that's not quite the answer, that's just part of the answer. This is the answer right here. Y equals 2x
Plus 7.
minus 7.
Yo, Mr. Jordan.
Plus negative 7 is the same thing as minus 7.
Yeah.
How does pre-calculus have 2 problems? Are they just that hard?
No, Roman
Are we
just,
going to 30?
Roman erased it.
Oh.
We have 3 problems.
Roman was being silly. We're going to 30, but it's a 2-day assignment,
Yes.
30
except for Emily.
Most of our jobs are, most of our
Emily, remember when I stapled that giant stack of papers together and how funny you thought it was?
Barely fit on me.
Yes,
It actually didn't, it fell off.
That was
Wait,
not
Mr.
fun.
Jordan, 33 or 30?
Switched it.
30.
You wrote 33 on my paper.
Corey, dang it.
You took my
Just
paper,
kidding.
Corey.
What?
I need to order
Yes.
that up there.
I think. Oh, thanks. Yeah.
1/2,
I'll
3
go.
halves.
I don't like you.
You're so mean. I'm mean.
You volunteer as tribute.
Yes. You get so heated about this.
Somebody's phone's,
Yeah, sorry.
so we got a text. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you want to try?
Yes.
All right.
Alright. So first you do the whole y equals the 4x plus b. And then you plug in those numbers into the x.
Okay, it's gonna go right here.
The three over 2.
Yeah. Okay, because it's coordinates are in alphabetical order. It's always x and y. Okay.
1/2.
Yeah.
4
Equal.
times
Okay, what's half of 4? 2. So how do we solve that for b? So 3 halves, this is basically 1.5 minus 2. So it's negative 1/2. And then Skylar, do you remember what we did with that? Yeah, that's the b value. So basically this is our answer, but we just need to replace it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, on 9 they do tell us to use a different formula besides slope-intercept. However, I don't think it's useful to learn 2 different ways. Let's just keep going with the slope-intercept form. Okay, girls.
She keeps messing
She just
with me.
ripped my hair back. Why did you just
Okay, hands to yourself. to be a 7, so it's going to go right there. Y equals negative 3x plus 7. Get it louder somehow. Is that you? I think Emily said.
I was just, I don't know.
It's definitely obvious. I have mine on do not disturb always, so just
Whatever.
I do.
Like that one time your last tutorial.
Last tutorial?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, actually, just use my phone on.
Emily's just went off.
What did y'all write?
I just heard it.
Her teacher would fall down the hill. Or up the hill, I guess.
All right. Emily, Emily, what do we do?
Y equals 1, hold on. 9, or no, 1/2 x plus b, and then you can see your government.
Okay.
I see your book.
Emily,
Yeah.
here.
I just can't see numbers.
This is the, you can't, do you need glasses?
No, I need to see that for the, I'm so then 5/2 equals,
No. Okay, 5/2 is the x value.
oh, negative 3/4. So 3/4 equals 1/2 x,
1/2.
and then in parentheses, 5/2 plus b.
Okay, what's 1/2 times 5/2?
6/2.
No, that's adding. 1 times 5, 2, 2 times 2.
5/4.
Okay, now what?
Now you're going to minus 5/4. Oh, that's going to be
So,
negative 2/4.
negative 8/4,
Negative 8/4 by
which changes into negative.
negative 3 or 2.
I'm like on it though.
Yeah, we gotta put it back up there. So y equals 1/2 x minus 2.
And where are we stopping today?
20.
Yay!
The other class got it done pretty fast.
Yay!
They got what?
They got it done pretty quickly.
I taste your
Yeah.
13. Okay, this one says use the method of your choice. Well, we've only been using one method, so that will be the method of our choice. M equals negative 4. All right, Willie.
So, y equals negative 4 x plus b, and then 7 equals negative 4 2 plus b, and then 7 equals negative 8 plus b, and then subtract negative 8, or add negative 8.
Yeah. Subtracting a negative is adding.
And then 15 equals b. And put it back and we do y equals negative 4x plus 15.
Good job, good job. A little bit. You can do the same steps though.
Stop.
One of the odds has a 0. It's number 15. 0, negative 7, m equals 0. All right, Timothy, how about this one?
So y equals mx plus b, so you plug in 7 for y,
Negative 7.
or negative 7, equals 0x plus 8.
the x was a 0 too, not that it really matters, but 0 times 0, 0. So b is negative 7. So what should I do?
Then you would do, y equals, 0, x, minus 7.
So wouldn't it just be y equals negative?
Yeah, does the 0x do anything for us?
No, it just helps me with my thinking process.
It's
Huh?
wrong.
Can I still put it?
You are wrong.
Yeah. What does the graph of y equals negative 7 look like?
Go down to negative 7.
Horizontal line.
Horizontal line, 0 slope. Horizontal line.
Makes sense. You only if you have problems when we're done.
Too hard, but you gotta do the evens.
Nap time.
No,
She doesn't know what that is.
evens.
Nap time.
Alright, on 17, we're doing 1, 1, 2, 3. So they don't tell us the slope, they just tell us 2 points that the line is going through. So how could we find the slope?
1 minus 2. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 2.
1 minus 3 over 1 minus 2.
Over 1 minus 5 over 1 minus
2, 1, which is just 2.
I like this.
Okay, so now we have the slope, and we also have a couple points. So now it's like the rest of the problems, once you have the slope. So if the slope is 2, y equals 2x plus b, and then which of these points do I use?
1, 2, 3.
It doesn't matter. They should both give you the exact same answer, actually. If I plug in 1, 1, that'd probably be a little bit easier because 1s are easy.
Whoa, what was that?
So 2 times 1 is 2, so if I subtract 2, I get b is negative 1. So y equals 2x minus 1.
I mean, I guess.
What? It's almost right.
Skylar, are you even talking to anybody?
She's talking to me.
You ain't quite out and hold on.
Heart to heart. Alright, Eli,
You're welcome.
Yeah.
what do we do on 19? 2, negative 1, 3, negative 4.
19. You did say you needed the exact last problem.
Which is?
The slope formula, which is y minus y over x minus x.
So,
It'd be negative 1 minus negative 1. And then it'd be 2 minus 3. And that comes out to be negative 3 over 1. Negative 3.
well,
Wait, no.
it's 3 over negative 1,
Which is 6.
which is negative 3.
I mean,
Okay, now what?
now you would put that in the formula. Y equals negative 3x. And then you plug in your numbers. Plug in 2 and negative 1, so it'd be negative, y equals negative 6, or it'd be negative 1 equals negative 6. Then you add 6, so it'd be 5
Okay, so y equals negative 3x plus 5. I don't remember 5 for some reason. Let's
Well,
just
I'll
figure it
remember next time we do.
I have a first. Can we study? Please, please, please. There's 2 tests. I have 2 back-to-back tests, 6th and 7th hour. I promise we'll get